Hi, this is Mr. Guy, and we're going to be doing a sample budget for the personal finance project. And I'm doing it on a spreadsheet, and you can do it on a Word document. You can write it out. You can do whatever you want to. But if you can look at it and see, I've got the gross monthly income. I have 1733.33. And what I did is I took my gross weekly pay of $400. I'm making $10 an hour, 40 hours a week, so that's $400 for the week, times 52 divided by 12. I got the 1733, and then I put that number into the Paycheck City website, and they took out the taxes and took out everything, and I'm making $1,212.53. So I used the gross pay to figure out what my rent is going to be, and it's going to be about $485. So I found a place. I put $485 as rent. Electric, I estimated $75. There's definitely going to be larger months in the summertime where you could be paying a lot more. The wintertime you could be less. So this is just like an average, and it's a good guess. I roughly right now in the time in my 2-bedroom condo, I'm paying $100 a month, and then in summertime I normally pay about $250. My phone, I looked at $35 for Verizon. I looked at a 3 gig plan, and that was the cost of that. Cox Internet Starter is $38 for internet, which includes Wi-Fi. Netflix, I did $861. Car insurance, I did a 2001 PT Cruiser and a 1996 Ford Escort, and the insurance was high for a 19-year-old male, $131 per month. Gas, I figured about $50 a month. That could be low, but I'm not sure. I actually spend $80 a week, so that's what my gas is, but I go from Gilbert to Arcadia and then down to Tempe. Oil, figure $30 every 3 months. Every 3 months we'll do an oil change. It's about $30. Entertainment, I was going to do $20, $25, but that's just way too low. I'm doing $50. I might find that it's low, but that would include maybe a movie, going out to dinner, anything that could happen for spending money going out. Groceries, I did $301, and that is straight on the government website, going like the average single person spends $301 a month for groceries. Cleaning, toiletries, things like toothpaste or maybe paper towel or toilet paper or whatever it might be is $40 a month, and that's an estimate. That could be pretty low. And then I have my total expenses of $1,223.61, and I am short $11.08 for my budget. I can absolutely make it up in my oil, because my oil, I'm saying I'm doing $10 when I really am not doing it. So I'm really then out $1.08. And then maybe I might find that maybe I don't spend that much in gas. One thing I'll tell you is with taxes on some of the bills, electric might be higher, phone and cable might be higher due to taxes. I didn't save really anything in this budget, and remember, I wanted to save 10% of my money, so you might want to have a category for savings and put it right up there and do $121 for savings. You might have a miscellaneous column that basically is for some unexpected things. At the end of the month, I want you to write down, after you do your budget, do you have any money left over? Are you short money, and where would you get the money? What could you do? What could you cut back to make your budget better? Maybe it's groceries, but I hate to cut back on food. Are you saving money? How much are you saving? And then what happens in this case in my budget if my car breaks down? What happens if this is a 40-hour week, and what happens if they only give me 30 hours a week? What happens if they give me 35 hours? What happens if I lose my job and they just downsize? If there's a doctor bill, there's very little leeway in this budget. So this is the kind of format that I would like it, is start with your gross monthly and then your net monthly, and then go down with all of your expenses that we've gone all the way through. And there are miscellaneous charges. There's things with bank charges and overdraft fees and stuff that you might want to put in there. I took out life insurance, and I took out different insurances because I have that now, but as a 19-year-old, probably not going to have it. You're going to be cutting out that. So that's something that you can add. So this is for question number 14. This is the format that I'd like to see, and then write a paragraph and write some information about what would happen if you had something happen to your budget, and how does your budget look. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask in class or post them after this, and hopefully it makes sense. And if you have any questions, definitely post.